Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So just walking around the yard, we got a Grand Design AIM, a Cougar, an Imagine, Forest River, there's a Solitude, there's a Jayco, there's two Solitudes back to back, there's Momentum, a Reflection, Carbon, Montana, another Reflection, another Solitude, another Reflection, another Solitude, another Reflection. So just wanted to say thanks for all of our Grand Design customers that have been following us and supporting us. We appreciate you. And, just a reminder that we are doing manufacturer warranty and we're also doing all the recalls. So if you have any recalls or if you're getting any of those new service bulletins that come out with the frame issues or the I-beams, remember that's one of the things that we, kept kind of stumbled on and pushed to the factory to let them know, come see us. If you're here near Lodi, California, there's a bunch of dealers that are around us that sell these, and we are appreciative that they're selling these units. Keeps us busy. But if you know anybody that have any Alliances or Winnebagos or Thors or pretty much anything out there we work on. We got some old Dutch Stars here. I think there's an Alpine there. There's an Arctic Fox over here. There's a Compass over there. So we pretty much work on almost anything. We don't do a lot of the Class Bs. Just a lot of the products and stuff that are on there that are kind of foreign to us because they're a lot of European models and we just haven't got into doing the training on that yet. So, and they're a little bit more difficult to work on. So if you haven't joined any of our Facebook groups, we have pretty much a Facebook group for any manufacturer that's out there or all the major guys. We also do Brinkley warranty. We do Outdoors RV warranty, and then we also do Genesis Supreme. There's a few others. It just depends on their willingness to work with us as well. We're not here to cheat them in any way. We try to be super fair with all of our time spent, just like we do with our customers. Most of the stuff that we do is all straight time, but we try to get in there and get it done as fast as we can and get on to the next one. Typically, as a reminder, we usually get about 3 to 5 units that come in a week or per day, go in and out of the shop. So sometimes it's as little as we'll say 15. Sometimes it's as much as 25 or more. So, but all right, well, and if you haven't joined us on our Facebook group for a Grand Design group, it's Grand Design RV Owners Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. We encourage you to do so. You've heard me say in other videos, we've talked about Gen Y hitches, we've talked about Reese hitches, pinbox hitches, we've talked about the Moride ones, we've talked about the X Factors in the front down here. There's lots of accessories that we do, and we'll go into the reason why we recommend those and do them, how it benefits and helps the units. And then if you haven't checked out our photo albums, I forgot the count where we're at, but I want to say we're probably in the 350s plus of pictures of things in the photo albums, whether it be a product or a repair. So check out those photo albums to help yourself. There's a lot of mobile guys, there's a lot of repair shops, other dealerships, all throughout the United States that follow us as well, so they can see what we're seeing. And then they share back too, so if you have something that's going on with a coach, whether it be an upgrade, a fix, a repair, just a common issue, maybe it's a product that you use that you like, please share it with us. We love videos too, so if you want to share us the videos, we've been taking some of the videos and the ones that different people share with us and turning them into shorts and putting them on our YouTube for saying consumer reports, consumer shares. So if you got a video of something going funny or crazy or something leaking or something you just want to show off to everybody else out there in the YouTube land, feel free to share it with us so that we can reshare it for you, so you can get so you can get it out there. All right, well, hey, thanks a lot, and we will talk to you soon. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.